Welcome to Pure Health, where we delve into the fascinating world of natural remedies, wholesome foods that can transform your life. Today in this video we're going to make the best DIY ginger shot, so let's summarize a little bit about what it is, how it can help your body, and how to make it. Ginger shot is a tiny drink made from fresh ginger, sometimes mixed with other healthy things like lemon juice and turmeric. It's full of good stuff like vitamins and helps keep your body strong and healthy. People like ginger shots because they can help with tummy troubles, make your immune system stronger, and help reduce swelling in the body. What can a ginger shot do for you? Ginger shots can provide a wide range of health benefits, including boosting immunity. Ginger, lemon, and turmeric all have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that help strengthen the immune system. Reducing inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and turmeric can help with joint pain, arthritis, and muscle soreness. Improving digestion. Ginger has been traditionally used to soothe digestive issues like nausea, bloating, and indigestion. Detoxification. Lemon helps flush toxins from the body, while ginger aids in speeding up metabolism. Supporting weight loss. The thermogenic effect of ginger boosts metabolism, and lemon's ability to suppress appetite can aid in weight loss efforts. And now let's go to the kitchen and make some ginger shot. It's easy, simple, and requires only a few fresh ingredients: 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root, peeled. Juice of 1 fresh lemon. 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric root, optional. A pinch of black pepper, to enhance turmeric absorption. 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. Instructions: grate or chop the ginger and turmeric. Blend them with lemon juice and a small amount of water. Strain the mixture to remove pulp and serve immediately in a small glass. Add honey for sweetness, optional, and a pinch of black pepper to boost the benefits of turmeric. Here's a fun challenge: take a ginger shot every day for a week, and then come back to the comments to share how you feel. The best time to take your ginger shot is in the morning, right before breakfast. Give it a try and let us know how it goes after 7 days. Adding a ginger shot mixed with lemon and turmeric to your daily routine can seriously boost your health. It strengthens your immune system, fights inflammation, and helps with digestion. Plus, it can support weight loss and help your body detox. Even though it's small, this combo packs a punch when it comes to overall wellness. Try starting your mornings with a ginger shot and feel the difference over time. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and wellness advice, make sure to subscribe to Pure Health and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Thank you for watching.